Hey, it's Robert from Remax Rock and Roll. Hey, I'm out here at Pardee Tramway, lot 9 out here. It's going to take you a little walk down on here. So to the right of me, along this ridge it's cut, this is all BLM land that will never be built on. So you'll never have any neighbors over here on this side. This road was just cut in. It's 7.88 acres. Great views. When we get out here on the edge, you'll see the river. It's got a well. The well is 5 gallons a minute. It's down about 400 feet. Static is at 2 1/4. So I'm just going to keep filming this. We're just going to go ahead and make our way down. So as we get over here closer, you can kind of see the highway down there. So this goes down to just above the railroad, above the river. As you can see, we can start to see the river from here. Almost every spot on this site here has got river view. So just so you can take proximity to where I'm at, I'm just right on the pad, just right across from the wellhead right there. There's the driveway. So you got deer and elk, pheasant, turkey, just about everything you want out here. It is a private road coming in, so there's just a few neighbors, great people. So for the river, this is just one part of the one corner of the property, but there's the view. I'm just going to walk just the perimeter of this pad right here. So again, I'll just kind of do another approximation. There's the well, and there's the BLM property. I want to keep walking this pad here. So over here in this corner, I'm going to cut out the view on the river here. And I'm going to start the view of the river right there. So again, just walking around. Basically just sitting right up here on top of the river. Most of the neighbors out here ride their dirt bikes, four-wheelers. There's trails everywhere. Right down in this section, you can ride straight down to the beach. So again, this is BLM here. Let's do another pan out so you kind of see where I'm at on the property. There's the well. Okay, there you go. 7.88 acres, lot 9, Pardee Tramway. It's Robert, Remax Rock and Roll.